Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So, I just wanted to let you know that if you're not subscribed to this channel, please subscribe down below because in the next video, I'm going to be giving you a sneak peek of what I got up my sleeve for Christmas 2018. I just got in from outside, so how about I show you what I did? Let's go. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today, as you may notice, I am not in my room. I am outside because I am going to start on a new project for fall. So remember I said there was some new things that I had bought this year? Well, this is one of them. And no, the camera is not crooked. This is a crooked shed. So here it is, and as you can see, we need to do some landscaping, but it's pretty cool. Now I've had the question, how does the door open? It doesn't. No, I'm just kidding. I'll show you. Okay, so we just have to turn the knob and it just goes like that. So it's pretty cool. All right, so let's get started on the transformation. Okay, it's all done, so let me just show you some stuff that I did. Alright guys, it is hot. I'm heading inside. Thank you so much for watching. Subscribe down below because Christmas is coming before we know it. Alright, I'll see you guys next time. Bye.